Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's about 5:50 right now. I'm already running a little late, so I won't talk long, but it's just gonna be me here today doing a little solo hunt in the corn. Landon and Riley are out of town doing some pheasant hunting. So yeah, I'll catch you guys at the field. Well, we made it to the field. It's about 6:35. Got about 45 minutes till shooting time. And like I said, it's just me here today doing a little solo mission because Bird and Landon are out of town doing some pheasant hunting. And I'm just going to be hunting this flooded cornfield here. Got about a couple 200-yard walk in, so not too bad. And I just want to apologize in advance for the audio today. It's going to be very iffy. Stop signs driving here. We're going like, wind is ripping. And yeah, but it should be a good day. Super ducky weather. Got like 20, 25 mile an hour wind. So wind should not be our problem. Rained over an inch last night. Gravel roads are soupy. But yeah, it should be misting a little bit this morning maybe. Gonna be overcast, cloudy day. Perfect for some flooded corn duck hunting. I don't know how much you guys can hear or not, but wasn't kidding about the wind. It's a gusty one, that's for sure. Well, little update for you all. Got about 5 minutes till shooting light, and I've probably already had like 40 mallards dump into the spread. This is crazy. So, I actually have 2 of my decoys right now. Here's a 2-pack, gotta dump in. Anyways, I'm gonna quit talking and I'm gonna stay quiet and put the GoPro on, and I'll show you guys the spread once it gets a little bit lighter and you can see more. But I'm just gonna stay quiet and get hit it now. You get the pass today, Mr. Susie. Maybe that was a young drake, I don't know. I shot the greenhead. That's a big one too. Jeez. They're all wanting to land over there, which is fine, I guess, as long as they're wanting to land in here. Okay, I just got first duck down of the morning. Nice little greenhead. 1 for 1, the old 20 gauge. That's what you like to see. I'll show you the spread here now that it's a little bit lighter out. It's just this little flooded cornhole. Got 6 Dakota floaters up, Lucky Duck spinner, and then what's it called? Avian power shaker. Oh my mallards. This could get greasy. Oh my gosh. There's more. I'm not gonna shoot him on the water. Oh, we have another one coming in. That one's a drake too, I think. These two are just chilling. Back in it goes. Here we go. That one's too close. That hen was right next to that drake. Ah, shoot. Well, I got this one. There's the roost that I was talking about. They're all dumping into it now. Here's my lovely little Malaro. No band. Gosh. Hey, double curl. That's what I'm talking about. This audio is probably crap for you guys. I'm sorry about that. Gosh, these birds are pretty. Oh, don't eat. Come on, turn. Oh, jeez. Whoa! Holy crap. This thing's almost took my head off. Could have caught one of them. Hello. Not the green beans we're looking for. I do hear some honkers. If one of them fly over, he's getting it. Here comes 5, 6 back. Oh no, might just be a waiting game with these ducks. Oh. They're just gonna be hopping from flooded cornhole to flooded cornhole all day. Been a fun morning so far, a lot of action. Well, got 2 mallards down, 2 green beans. There's still a bunch more flying in the air. I think they're just starting to fly now. This place just, there's ducks everywhere. They're just gonna be hopping from flooded cornhole to flooded cornhole all day. And I'm just gonna be picky and just wait it out until some greenheads come in. I had like a 5-pack come in, and then I folded 1 greenhead to my right, and then I pulled over, and the closest one is right next to another hen, and I didn't want to shoot at that, so I just let them go. But 2 for 2 so far. Shooting's a lot better than it has been, so that's a plus. Come on, do it. Yeah, there's some ducks in the area, that's for sure. Well, I just dropped the end of my barrel in the mud, so that's always good. Good. Oh, shoot. Hey, widgeon. Oh, never shot a widgeon before. Little update for y'all. Just had a 2-pack of widgeon come in. Get it absolutely dirty. I got one of them. He's in this corn somewhere, so I'm gonna go try to find him. And both of my socks have now completely fell off of my shoes, so I am now barefoot in these waders. Oh, finally. Oh. Hey. First widgeon I've ever shot. I'll take it. Sucks not having a bird dog in this corn. That took me like 15 minutes to find that thing. But we got it. Now all we need is 3 more greenheads and we out of here. What's that? It's a drake. He's gonna get it. It is a drake. And he got it. Okay, I finally found that widgeon in the corn. That took about like 15 minutes. And then had a single Drake Mallardo do it absolutely filthy right in the kill hole. Going to pick him up now. Shooting 4 for 4. That ain't too bad. Look at these birds too. Here's your other leg, boy. Oh, I shot it off. Pretty birds. Got a little curl too. Okay, I only need 2 more greenheads. I got mud on my face. That isn't coming off. All right, I only need 2 more greenheads for my limit. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, which is pretty insane. But most of the birds that I have been seeing, I've had like some come and do it, obviously, but most of them have been going to a different flooded corn spot over to the west of me. So maybe not next weekend, but maybe the weekend after, we can go check that out or something. I don't know. A bunch of ducks in the area though. This is a pretty good spot. Turn. Oh, they did. Don't put down another. Gosh dang it. I think once the sun comes out, that spinner's gonna work a lot better. Probably could just go pull it, honestly. But we'll just see what they keep doing. There's two of them, actually. Wood duck. I already got my bonus duck. A Tanner Goltz wouldn't be too bad though. Come on, ducky, 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 ducky. Oof. The audio is actually probably pretty good in here, but once you get out there, outside of this corn, oof, terrible. What are you? Is that a drake? Nope. That is a hat. Get to live another day, buddy. Hey, buddy. Well, little update. It's slowed down a good amount now. Sun's starting to come out though, so the spinner should look better. They're all still going to that other flooded spot over to the west of me, so hopefully I could traffic some when they come on their way back. That's the plan. But I only need 2 more ducks, so should be able to make that happen. God damn it. Oh shoot. Oh, that thing was a stud. Welp just had a stud greenhead come in, and he was flying low over this corn, and I go to pull up and there's corn stalks everywhere in my face. Missed the first, and then he's way behind me, missed the second, and then far shot, missed the third. That's the only one that's really gave me a shot in a while, so rip. Okay, there's one more greenhead. I might need one more to go. Midday update. I had a 2-pack or a 3-pack, 2 hens and 1 drake come in, and I shot the drake, and he fell down, and then I hit him once more when he was on the water, and then I go to pick it up. Not there, nowhere to be found. So I think he must have just dove down and grabbed some weeds or something. I don't know. I've been walking around for probably 20 minutes trying to find him, but I couldn't find him. It's so hard without a dog to find him when they do that. So we still got 2 more to go. what I'm picking up. Always happens. Not too shabby. Could have easily had our limit, or my limit, but well, the one I shot over there, couldn't find it at all. I looked for probably 20 minutes. I think he just dove on me, and it's so hard without a bird. And I was just being picky today, only trying to shoot green. And without a dog, I didn't want to shoot any over the corn either, so I just tried to keep them over the water. But it's almost 11 o'clock now, and all the birds have stopped flying, so I think I'm just going to pack it up. That was a fun morning, and there'll definitely be more to come, so catch y'all in the next one.